how about extensive practice? Have you done?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, so we start now. So self-practice 5.4b. Only one question. Very easy question. The diagram below show a tessellation consisting of regular hexagon. So state the transformation involved to produce shape B to shape A and shape C from shape A. So this is the answer. Okay, now mark your answer. Okay, next. Extensive practice. Okay, question number 1. The value of x equals to 112. Question number 2 is the value of y. Number 3, describe the enlargement. So the answer, enlargement at center 3, 3 with scale factor 3. Number 4, determine the scale factor. So this is the answer for scale factor, 4 over 3 and negative 4 over 3. Question number 5. Okay, sorry. So state the coordinate. So the coordinate is 8, 8. Question number 6. Describe transformation G. So transformation G is a rotation of 90-degree anti-clockwise at center 3, 6. Next, question number 7. So this is the answer. Question number 8. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 9. So calculate the scale factor. Scale factor equals to 5 over 2.
Teacher,
Yes.
I don't understand how to do this question.
Question number 9.
Yeah.
Okay, the diagram on the right shows two circles with the same center O. So actually there is two circles here. The large circle is the image and the small circle is the object under an arrangement at center O. It is given that the radius of the small circle is 3 cm. Okay. Radius of the small circle 3 cm. And the area of the colored region is 47.25 pi cm square. Calculate the scale factor. So use the formula. Since given here is area, so formula area of the image over area of object. So area of the image, this one is the area of the colored region. Oh, this is typing error, should be plus. Okay, sorry for this, should be plus because the image is the whole, bigger circle. So the bigger circle include the small circle because the center is O. So 47.25 pi plus 9 pi. 9 pi is the area of the smaller circle. Use formula pi r square. The r is 3. So 9 pi. Over area of the object, 9 pi. Then you can plus these two. You get this, then simplify pi. This one use calculator. Okay, tak Harlin?
Can you teacher?
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
my working is not like this, but I got the same answer.
What do you do?
Teacher, I find the area of the object 9 pi and I find the area of the image. I plus both of them directly. I didn't do one by one.
Can.
Okay, teacher.
Alright. Question number 10. So the answer is the distance is 1,200 plus 15. So this is the answer between the tree and its image. Question number 11. So A, the perimeter. So the perimeter, just add the whole diagram to calculate this using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Question B tak ada jawapan. The area in meter square of each section of the line. Terlupa nak buat dah tu. So the area, use formula area of trapezium. 1/2 times 80 plus this area is 320 minus 80 divided by 2 and then times 200. Okay, question number 12. So this is the answer. Transformation X is a reflection of line GM. And transformation Y is a rotation of 36 degree anti-clockwise at center J. So this is the image of transformation Y, and this is the image of transformation X. Okay, that's all. So next, boleh tak kita masuk new subtopic?
Boleh cikgu.
Tapi cikgu tak nak tengok lagi. Mari kita tengok sama-sama. Yang apa tu, this PowerPoint dah buat lama dah.
Cikgu, untuk exercise topik ni guna buku mana?
Guna Maths Chapter 6, Math 3.
Okay.
Okay, ratios, this is chapter 6. Ratios and graph of trigonometric function. Rasa ni macam dah belajar ni dekat AdMath. Dah belajar ke belum?
Belum cikgu.
Belum.
Oh belum, okay.
Belum.
Screen tak mau gerak, okay. So, our objective or learning standard, make and verify conjecture about the value of sine, cosine and tangent for angle in quadrant 2, 3 and 4 with the corresponding reference angle. Okay. The value of sine, cosine and tangent for angle theta, and theta is greater than or equal 0 but less than or equal 360 degree. So the diagram on the right show a unit circle. So this is unit circle. Unit circle is a circle with radius 1. Okay, this is unit circle. Dia punya syarat dia mesti radius dia value 1. And then we call it as unit circle. Okay, unit circle is a circle with radius 1 and it's centered on the origin. Okay, the x-axis and y-axis divide the unit circle into 4 equal quadrant. Namely, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3 and 4. Yang ni semua dah tahu kan? Okay, it is given that P is a point that moves along the circumference of the unit circle and theta is the angle formed by the radius of the unit circle OP. So this point P move along the circumference, and the theta formed by the radius, and the radius of the unit circle, okay, from the positive x-axis in an anti-clockwise direction. So angle tu inilah. It is found that point P is in quadrant 1 when theta greater than 0, less than 90. Kalau point P at quadrant 2, so this is the angle between 90 to 180. Ini simple lah. If point P at quadrant 3, so the theta, the value of theta between 180 and 270, and point P in quadrant 4 between 270 to 360. So what is the relationship between the function of sine, cosine and tangent? Okay, this one kena hafal. Macam mana nak hafal? Okay. Kalau dulu-dulu masa sekolah, kita hafal macam ni. Bukan kita, I hafal macam ni. All sine teacher cube. All sine teacher cube. So apa maksudnya? At quadrant 1, the value of sine, cosine and tangent all positive. At quadrant 2, only sine positive. Mean the value of cos theta and tangent theta negative. At quadrant 3, only tangent positive, and at quadrant 4, only cos positive. Okay, nanti kita tengok ni macam mana nak guna ni. So yang ni kan hafal. Apa yang perlu hafal? The value of sine, cos, tangent, whether positive or negative. So dulu-dulu I hafal macam ni. All sines teacher cube. So all positive, sine positive, tangent positive, cos positive. Okay. Example 1. Determine the quadrant and the corresponding reference angle for each of the following. So angle 138. 138 is located in quadrant 2. So this is the first question. The second question, corresponding reference angle. Kita letak dia as alpha. Formula 180 degree minus 38. Yang formula ni masa form 4 dah belajar. Dia punya formula, kalau ingat lagi lah. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This one theta. Here 180 minus theta. Here 180 plus theta. Here 360 minus theta. Okay, so since 138 is quadrant 2, so we use this 180 minus theta. So this is the reference angle. So B, this angle at quadrant 3. So to calculate the reference angle, this angle minus 180. Okay, just now I said. Okay. 180 plus theta equals to this. Allah. Okay, equals to this. So to find theta, 239 minus 180. Okay tak? So this is the answer.
Cikgu, tak faham.
Yang mana?
Yang B.
B. Yang ni okey. Quadrant 3.
Yang tu yang tak faham cikgu.
Okay, yang 239 you tahu kan dia memang ada kat quadrant 3. Kita sekarang nak cari theta. Tadi cikgu kata 180 untuk quadrant 3 kan? 180 plus theta kan? So ini sebenarnya 180 plus theta equals to 239. So nak cari theta minus. Okay. Corresponding reference angle. Okay. For C, 312 located in quadrant 4. So use formula 330 minus theta equals to 48. Adik pergi buat kerja adik. Selesai lah. Kau tak tengok adik tak? Okay, example 2. State the relationship between each of the following trigonometric function with its corresponding reference angle. So sine 167, angle 167 is located in quadrant 2. So sine theta equals to 180 minus theta. So sine 167 equals to sine 13. Okay, apa benda ni? Tadi kan macam ni. 1, 2, 3, 4. All sine teacher cube. So angle 137 dekat quadrant 2. Soalan tanya sine. Sine 137 at quadrant 2 is positive. So kita kena cari yang sama. Yang positif juga dekat quadrant 1 lah. So 180 minus theta kita nak cari yang sama. Sine 167 yang sama dengan nilai ni. Sine 167 dekat quadrant yang lain. So yang sesuai adalah at quadrant 1. Sebab only quadrant 1 sine positive. Kalau you cari dekat quadrant 3 and 4, the value of sine not positive. The value of sine is negative. So tak samalah kalau you use calculator, you try tekan sine 167 degree, you akan dapat one value. And then sine 13 degree also one value, that value equal. Tapi kalau you cari at quadrant 2, the value equal, but the negative and positive tu different. Okay, boleh tak? Okay, teruskan. For cos 258 located in quadrant 3. So this is cos. So cos yang dia nak kat mana ni? Corresponding reference angle sebut. Oh, dia nak semua nilai. Okay. So untuk B, dia nak value dekat quadrant 1. Reference angle tu dekat quadrant 1. So ini 1, ini pun 1. Tapi dekat quadrant 1 kena letak negatif. Baru nilai dia sama. Sebab kalau you tekan cos 258 degree, you akan dapat negatif. Sebab quadrant 3 tangent yang positif. So cos akan dapat negatif. So nak dapatkan dekat quadrant 1, kena tambah negatif. Baru dua-dua jadi negatif. For C pun sama. Angle 349 located in quadrant 4. So tangent at fourth quadrant is negative. So you need to add negative at the answer. Boleh tak? Ada soalan tak?
Ada cikgu.
Okay, reference angle ni maksudnya you cari yang sama at quadrant 1. Okay, so this is in quadrant 1, 1, 1. I don't understand C. This C. Yang ni ke maksudnya? Okay. Tangent, kalau you tekan calculator, tangent 349, you akan dapat negatif. Because at quadrant 4, only cos. Kan tadi all sin picture cube. Only cos positive. So, if tangent, dia akan jadi negatif. So, negatif, you kena letak sini negatif lah. Kalau you tekan calculator, tangent 11, you akan dapat positif. So, dia tak sama dengan tangent 349. So, kena letak negatif kat depan. Yang ni yang tadi I tunjuk tu, 360 minus theta. Sekarang ni you nak cari the value that same to the question in quadrant 1. So, mana yang tak jadi positif tu kena tambah. Sebab semua sin, cos, tangent at quadrant 1, value dia positif. So, nak bagi sama dengan ni kena letak negatif. Baru dia jadi both negatif. Okey tak Dania? Okay. So, in general, ni tadi dah sebut lah. Positive. All the value of sine, cos and tangent at quadrant 1 positive. Quadrant 2 only sine positive. Quadrant 3 only tangent positive. Quadrant 4 only cos positive. So example 3. Each of the following diagrams show a unit circle at center theta. Show a unit circle and angle theta. Determine the value of sine theta, cos theta and tangent theta. Formula untuk tangent theta, tengok kat sini. Y over x. Y tu adalah nilai Y tu adalah sine. So this is sine theta over cos theta. Ataupun masa form 3 kan dah belajar tangent is TOA. So this is theta, TOA opposite over adjacent, opposite is Y, adjacent is X. So Y tu adalah value for sine. So sine theta adalah value Y. Cos theta value X. Tangent theta, ambil sin theta over cos theta. So this is the answer. For B, sin theta Y, cos theta X, tangent theta Y over X. So this is the answer. Senang je. Ambil je apa yang diberi. Okay, this is your homework. Self-practice 6.1a. That's all. Any question?
No, teacher.
Okay, if no, now, already 10. So, you may dismiss now. Mesti ada kelas lain kan?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.